Hey there, Foldabots builder. This is the Foldabots Assembly Guide. All you need are scissors and glue to build Ukay. So once you've got all the parts, get that main body and make sure you make a slit throughout this red line. Now it seems like you're destroying the pattern, but that's why we've got a fixer patch. So apply glue on that blue area for the fixer patch and put the patch on. Make sure all those crawlers on the left and right align with each other and you're good to go. Now on the other side, just apply glue on the tab that says main body and curl the main body up to close up this way. Now by doing that, we get those two little slits on the left and right side of the robot where he can tuck his arms in later. So next, put some glue on this part so that the crawlers can crawl up to it. So it's labeled 1 and 2, and all you need to do is to curl these crawlers. That's a bit of a tongue twister, and put them right there. Now once those are dry, put some glue on the L and R tabs where you're gonna put the two arms. So it can get a little slippery because these parts have a very small gluing tab. So the smaller the gluing tab, the more delicate they are while they're still wet. So have a little patience with gluing these. So once you've held them up into place, I used a pencil to get a nice push. We move on to the cab. Now in the excavator, this is where the driver stays, but nobody drives these Elementary bots. So Ukay is the leader of all the Elementary bots and he controls the earth. So first, put the glue on the front part of the cab, then on the bottom to form something like this. Set it aside and proceed with the sleeve. So with the sleeve, put it on the dark blue part so that we leave the sky blue part exposed and set it aside as well. Now let's get back to that main body and apply glue on the part that says cab and sleeve and glue the parts accordingly, just like so. All right, just keeping them into place. And now let's get back to the interesting part, which is the digger arm. So first, form the bucket to form it into something shaped like this. Add glue to those tabs. Make sure you use the official Foldabots glue applicator to get the thin coat of glue that's just right for all these paper projects. So I'm folding the arm, and it's very important that you do those red little slits on the side because that's going to make the arm actually move like a real digger. So first I'm going to glue the bucket. So putting some glue on the tabs that labeled bucket and segment, we glue the parts accordingly. So first we do the bucket, holding it on into place for a bit, and then the segment. These are very thin parts, but it's really worth it once you get to do this part where it starts to move like a real excavator. Next, insert that little tab onto the sleeve and be sure not to glue it. All right. And I almost forgot, Ukay has these stalagmites that come with it. There's 6 of them in the book. Okay, let's see how he stands. So insert that digger arm right there. He's pretty solid. And put down the crawlers at the back. Tuck in the feet. Tuck in the hands in those 2 little slits on the left and right. And insert that digger arm. And here we go. We've got Ukay, Elementary Bot Commander. Thanks for watching.